Are joints. Joints is a place where two or more bones are connected, means the point which can move or which provide you the movement, that points are called joint. Let me tell you which are the joints basically. These are the joints, like your neck is having the joint, your shoulder is having the joint, your elbow is having the joint, your fingers, hands, your pelvis, your vertebrae means your spine, your knee, your foot, all are having the joints, means where you can move your hand, leg, your any part of body, that is having the joint. Okay, where you can move, मीन्स जो भी आपका जॉइंट मूव हो सकता है, जो भी पॉइंट आपका मूव हो सकता है, दैट इज हैविंग द जॉइंट, वहां पर क्या है, एक जॉइंट है. नाउ व्हाट इज अ जॉइंट? जॉइंट इज अ प्लेस वेयर टू और मोर बोन्स आर कनेक्टेड. ओके, सो बेसिकली देयर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ जॉइंट इन आवर बॉडी, मूवेबल एंड इमूवेबल जॉइंट. बेसिकली व्हाट आर द इमूवेबल जॉइंट्स? Your rib cage and your skull is having the immovable joint in your body. Only two are having. This is your skull. Your skull is not moving. आपकी जो skull है वो move नहीं कर सकते. It cannot be moved. Your lower jaw can be moved but not your upper jaw. आपका जो upper jaw है और आपकी skull है, it cannot be moved. So it is counting in the immovable joint. Means the joint which cannot move are called immovable joint. So skull is the point which you cannot move. Next is your basically rib cage. Rib cage you also cannot move. आप rib cage को भी move नहीं कर सकते हैं. So these are the joints which you cannot move. These are the immovable joints. And what are the movable joints? The question is, what are movable joints? Movable joints are those joints which you can move, जिनको आप move कर सकते हैं. Now understand everyone, what is a joint? Joint is a place where two or more bones are connected, that is called joint. Now how joints be connected, means how the bones are connected. Sometimes it is having in between the cartilage and sometimes it is having the ligament. So basically your bones are connected with each other with the ligament. Basically bone के साथ connected through the ligament ही होती है. Okay. Now the second is, what are types of joints? There are two types of joint, immovable and movable joint. Immovable joint are those joint which you cannot move, like your skull and rib cage, you cannot move these joints. Second one is movable joints, the joints which you can move. Okay, जिन joints को आप move कर सकते हैं, these are called movable joints. Like your hinge joint, your pivot joint, ball and socket joint, gliding joint and saddle joint. So let me discuss one by one. What is a hinge joint basically? Hinge joint is the most easy. You will understand easily. Like this joint is said to be very simple joint that allows only two kinds of movement, like forward and backward. It can move like a door. जैसे आपका door open and close होता है, it can behave like this. Okay. So this joint is basically found in your fingers. आपके fingers में भी, आप अपनी finger को move करके देखिए, आपके finger up and इस तरह से जैसे मैं move कर रही हूँ, आपकी open and close, open and close. So this is a hinge joint. And in your elbow also, your elbow is having the hinge joint. Can anyone show how elbow moves? Yes, Kritik, can you show? Yes. This is your elbow. So your elbow is also open and closed. So this is a hinge joint. Elbow, your knee is also where your upper leg and lower leg is joined. That point is called knee. So basically knee can also move like this. It is also a hinge joint which can move forward and backward. Okay. So second is basically pivot joint. Pivot joint is basically found only in the neck. Pivot जो joint होता है वो सिर्फ आपकी neck में होता है. Your neck can move in a semi-circle direction. Means you can move your neck left and right, forward and backward. But you cannot move your neck like a circular. इफ अगर मैं हाविश को बोलूं आपको पीछे देखना है, क्या आप अपने हेड को पूरा मूव कर सकते हैं? नो। आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? अपनी बॉडी को भी मूव करना पड़ेगा. सो योर नेक मूव्स इन अ सेमी सर्कल डायरेक्शन. मीन्स एक सेमी सर्कल मूवमेंट होती है आपकी नेक में. You can move your neck in the left, right, upward and forward. So this is a pivot joint, and this joint is the single joint in your body. Means आपकी body में pivot joint एक ही है, and that is present in the neck. Okay. Next is ball and socket joint. It is too easy. Ball and socket joint. Let us see its arrangement. It is a cup-like bone. There is a cup-like bone, and there is a ball fit in that cup-like bone. Now this ball can move in every direction, so the ball and socket joint provides you the circular motion. Means you can move anywhere. Okay, you can move left and right in the circular. So this is found in basically in the shoulder or in your hip, ठीक है, in a pelvis. So you can find this ball and socket joint in your shoulder and in your hips. So this is a ball and socket joint. Now next one is gliding joint. Basically it is its movement is like the ball and socket joint, but its arrangement is different. इसके जो arrangement होते हैं वो different होते हैं. There is no cup, there is no ball. This is fitted like this, and its movement is in the two direction. Like you can move your wrist like this, you can move your wrist like this. Okay. So it is all, you can move this in all direction, but its arrangement is different. Okay, that's why it is a gliding joint. And there is one joint also in your body, that is a saddle joint, and saddle joint is found in your thumb. Move your thumb, you can see your thumb. Okay, so this is a saddle joint which is found in your thumb. Okay. Okay, let us see next.
पूरा वीडियो देखने के लिए और लेटेस्ट एग्जाम अपडेट्स जानने के लिए डाउनलोड करें कैरियर डिफेंस स्कूल का एंड्रॉयड ऐप.